Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and today's lesson of the day. In our last lesson we wrapped up Module 3 of our free Forex trading course with a look at some of the major factors that traders consider when trading the carry trade strategy. If you've been following all of our lessons up to this point, you should now have a good understanding of the basics of Forex trading, how to place orders and trades via a Forex trading platform, as well as the basic concepts behind how trade flows and capital flows move the Forex market. In today's lesson, we're going to start a new module on the fundamentals of the Forex market with a look at how traders use both technicals and fundamentals when analyzing the market. So let's get started.
As we learned in our free Basics of Trading course in the free course section of InformedTrades.com, traders analyze any financial market, including the Forex market, in one of three ways. The first is through fundamental analysis. The second is through technical analysis. And the third is through a combination of both fundamental and technical analysis. While which method a trader chooses is ultimately up to them and their trading personality, it is my opinion that a trader who at least has an understanding of both technical and fundamental analysis is in a better overall position to trade profitably than someone who focuses on only one school of thought. To help understand this, let's say that I'm a trader who studies technical analysis and believes that, at least in the short term, which is the time frame that I trade on, that technicals are all that matter. Next, let's say that I'm looking at a chart of the euro-dollar at 8:20 a.m. on the first Friday of the month, and my technicals are telling me that the trade is a good buy. If I focus purely on technical analysis, then I would probably enter a position not knowing that at 8:30 a.m. I may be in for a surprise that I was not expecting. As those of you who've been through Module 8 of my Basics of Trading course know, at 8:30 a.m. on the first Friday of the month, non-farm payrolls are released, which historically has been one of the most market-moving fundamental releases in the Forex market. While I'm not saying that a trader who trades on technicals should not take a trade that looks good to them from a technical standpoint because of weak fundamentals, what I think this shows is that technical traders who at least have an understanding of fundamentals have the ability to decide whether or not they should factor in a specific piece of fundamental information or not. In my opinion, this gives them a big leg up on technical traders who dismiss fundamentals altogether. Now let's say that I am a trader who trades a carry trade strategy, which trades based off of a model I built to forecast interest rates based on fundamental news releases. Next, let's say that my model generates a buy signal at 147, which I've included on the chart on your screen. Would my trading not be better served if I at least knew that there was a major head and shoulders top in place, so technically the market was very weak here? As with our technical analysis example, what I'm not saying is that a trader who trades on fundamentals should not take a trade they feel is a good trade from a fundamental standpoint when the market is weak from a technical standpoint. What I am saying, however, is that fundamental traders who at least have a basic understanding of technical analysis have the ability to decide this for themselves. In my opinion, this gives them a big leg up on fundamental traders who dismiss technicals altogether. As you've probably realized if you've been following my courses, they are designed to give traders a knowledge of both fundamental and technical analysis because I believe a knowledge of both puts traders in the best position to learn to trade profitably. I also believe that you can't really make a decision if you're going to trade based mainly off of technicals, fundamentals, or a combination of the two unless you have a sound understanding of the basics of both fundamental and technical analysis. As we've already covered the basics of technical analysis in my free Basics of Trading course, I'm assuming that everyone already has an understanding of this. With this in mind, the rest of this course will be focused mainly on the fundamentals of the Forex market, which we will start with in our next lesson. If you've not done so already, I encourage you to go through Module 8 of the Basics of Trading course located in the free course section of InformedTrades.com, which gives an introduction to fundamental analysis, which will be useful for the coming lessons. That's our lesson for today. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. and good luck with your trading.